Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to link your Twitch account to World of Warships so you can earn Twitch drops and rewards. First, open your browser and go to the official World of Warships website or the wargaming.net. Next is log in to your Wargaming account, and then once logged in, click on your profile right here up top and click on Account Management. Here, you can see the tab here or the section here which says link your account to a special profile. What you have to do is click on Twitch. It will redirect you to the Twitch website. And what you have to do next is click on authorize. And once you click authorize, your Twitch will immediately be linked. And after that, you're now ready for Twitch drops. Just watch eligible World of Warships streams with the drops enabled. You'll earn rewards like containers, signals, credits, and sometimes premium items. To claim your rewards, go to Twitch, click on your profile icon right here, click on drops and rewards, and here you can see all the drops that you can claim. After that, go to your game, and you can check your in-game port if your rewards have been successfully claimed. And that's it. You've successfully linked Twitch to World of Warships and can now earn free rewards by watching streams.